here with our good friend Julia Oberweis of White Tie Organizing, and she's going to help us make some order out of the chaos that's happened to our pantry over the last 6 months. So hang around and watch the fun.
Unless we say, hi, Ray.
Do you want this stuff emptied out of here?
Not for now. Maybe we can just even swing that right around in the middle. And we'll get to that. Okay. It's a process, and sometimes the only way to start is to just start. And sometimes it gets a little messy in between, but it's all right. In the end, it's going to be gorgeous.
It's
okay.
It's snack foods, but it's also some grains that we don't use as much anymore. Some of the sugars that you were talking about, coconut sugar.
So that might be something that we can take apart.
But that lives someplace else as well. So.
As well, right. And some of these, depending on how frequently you use them, could end up in some of those big, tall ball jars.
Yeah.
Ultimately, do you think, Devra, you're going to want this piece back to slide in and out of your pantry, or would you like it not to go back in there?
You know, it's one of those pieces, I love the piece, but it's, if I could just walk in and grab what I need, I don't.
You don't need this maybe anymore?
Don't need it.
Okay. Okay, how's this looking? And then these are all nuts.
These are sweeteners.
Oh, that looks good too, but that's still nuts. Nuts. All right, condiments are kind of going to get pushed over a little bit. And then maybe we'll
combine those.
Yeah, you could combine. That would be great. Pecans, and here's our pecans. Almond.
And we typically, we soak.
Oh, that's right, because you
our
make
nuts.
Almond milk, don't you?
We soak all of our nuts, and then we dehydrate them. So, and they're so yummy.
So if this was my pantry, I would alphabetize the nuts. So you're looking for the walnuts, you know they're going to be on the opposite end as the almonds.
and I am so ready to alphabetize right now. Because
we're ready to take the spices, the seasonings and spices out, and Ray was so kind to get us another table. As you can see, and Devra said, oh my gosh, it's amazing how much stuff we really do have in our pantry. But this is part of the process. When you take things out, you really see what you have. You categorize, it's a chance to purge. We have a little area of some things that we're gonna get rid of.
Expired or
just things that got pushed to the back or that we choose to no longer keep in our pantry. And so we're just going to keep going now. We're going to do the seasonings and spices. What I'll do is I'll take a handful and walk out, and then you come in and take a handful.
I love my spices.
Cinnamon stick. Chili. Right, getting.
So do you know which letter of the alphabet your pantry is full of?
More cayenne pepper. This is why it was good that we paid attention when we learned our alphabet. More cardamom seeds.
Hey, we did have oregano.
Organic Chinese 5-spice. So does that go under Chinese or F for 5-spice? Sometimes you can change too, like when you realize what it is that you first think of it as. And we can
maybe 5-spice
5, yeah.
or because
And it can change, so we'll put
Yeah.
it in the F for now.
So we've tried the whole thing where we group them by, what is that word? You know, like cooking spices or spicy spices, Mexican spices, Italian spices. And this is what we got. We got a mess. So we're gonna try something new.
Okay, we're coming together.
No bottles of spices were harmed in the filming of this video.
Rosemary. O, P, paprika, pepper. Oh, this is good. We've got these, oh yeah, the almond, peppermint, vanilla, orange extracts. Okay. So, I'm gonna try and have one of each. Those are fantastic. Ray saved the day because Ray ran out and got the ball jars in a wide assortment variety, and that was the thing we needed. So thank you, Ray.
Ray's always saving the day.
Yeah. So ready for the reveal? Here you go.
Ta-da!